J-Rock, what's good? All my life, free verse edition. Oh yeah. Let me tell him. Not sure what it is, maybe how you dig your nails in my back, the scar on your left cheek. Didn't think I noticed that, but I see more than you think. When we kick it up at school, we can go out back, smoke a J, that's cool. I'm no fool, I'm a smart kid, but the way you play got me tripping and shit. The baddest bitch, yeah, the baddest chick, coming at me like that, cause I rap and shit. Going out to the spot, taking fat hits, I'm just chilling, rolling with my clique, that's me, myself and I. Bouncing out solo, I'm going all night, out and not in, so you know I stay pacing. I'm here now, bitch, so please just face it. Cover these tracks with my lyrics like iPhone cases. Sophisticated young kid, you rap sound baseless. Face it, just face it. Hold up. Looking for a queen, thought of one when I wrote this. Taking pics with me, then she Instagram posted. Can't pay attention, no I gotta focus. Write another bar break, down a little kush, then we smoke this. I'm feeling like I'm flying, you're gliding with the lowest. Self-promotion, going out, please don't forget the postage. I don't care what the cost is, I just wanna know who the boss is, so I can kick him out his place, take over like a boss kid. Thought I had a queen once, then I lost it. Discovered this talent, but it all seemed useless. Coming back to you, cause you taught me how to use it. But I'm still young now, ain't a bit stupid, but I munch on these beats are what my food is. Eat it down like a holiday ham, pitching these lyrics quicker than a fastball from Halliday. Damn, imagine what this could be, I'm in the days, man. Learn from Dave's up, I noticed his ways, man. Maybe one day we can do a track and blaze, fam. Can't wait for the day I cause amaze, man. Everybody up, I said everybody up. Lift your cups up if you just don't give a fuck. You know how we do, party all night. Don't know what we smoke, but we stay high all flight, no pun intended. That's just how I write. Dreamt of this moment for all my life, cause there's no fun in coming down. Never wanna land when you feel so profound. Move around like we can't go through it. Trying to master music, do it just to do it. Who's next? This kid, that kid, I am, who is? Doesn't even matter, I'm just chillin' making music. No, I'm not signed, don't wanna be either. Kicking in the studio, turning up the ether, turning up the bass, cause we never turning down. I forgot my weed, so we gotta turn around. Blaze it up and light that. Where the girls, where the stage, where the mics at? Middle of the streets in a riot, where the fight's at? Walking everywhere, man, where the bike's at? Doesn't even matter, got my fresh kicks found. Doesn't even matter with the fresh bitch now. 10 times better than the other, but I'm still coming home saying thanks to my mother for raising me how she did. Yeah, young king, show her how it is. That a boy runs things when he gets up on a track and causes this flame from a lighter butt. That's the name of the game. Need a breath or two when I rap these facts. Sweating in my room, causing friction from my raps this fast. Time to go now. Hope you can enjoy this brand new rap that I chose to deploy. Time to go now. Hope you can enjoy this brand new rap that I chose to deploy. Yeah. Courtesy of your boy. Let it ride. Just kick it, man. You know? Yeah.